bread today.
Cool.
Yay! Yay! So this bread is a really easy recipe. I mean, the more simple, the better, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
For anything. I mean, for learning piano technique, the more simple the motions, the more you're going to get out of it, right? And like with bread making is like technique. So if you learn how to make a really good bread, then it's like learning your technique really well. Who's really needy around here? You have some needy people. Because this is a no-knead bread. You don't have to. It's not needy at all. So we're gonna make some artisan bread, which is like called a no-knead artisan bread, right? So no nonsense, no kneading. Anyone can make it. It's really simple. Why do you like bread? What do you like about it? What's your favorite bread combo?
Probably the one Grandma Hisa makes for us, the one with the bacon and...
Oh, bacon sandwich, the BLT?
Yeah.
Well, I was just thinking, in general, Archie's probably more of a rice man, and I'm definitely more of a bread person. I just love a nice loaf of bread. It's been really hard in America, in Washington here, to find an honest loaf of bread without all the additives. And so we've actually resorted to making our bread here at home. My favourite is probably poached egg on toast. It's as simple as that. That's my favourite.
What's your favorite?
Definitely grilled cheese or hamburger.
I'm more of a, what is it called? A Reuben kind of guy.
Mm-hmm.
I like sauerkraut. But anyway, you can make any of these sandwiches with the bread we're going to make today. And bread is also like piano in that it's very basic, isn't it? When you're beginning piano, you start with one note. We're going to start with the basic recipe, just like we learn our technique in piano, right? So there has to be a good foundation. And so if you have the right recipe for a good foundation of piano, you can play any piece. So if you have a good recipe and foundation for this bread recipe, you can make pretty much anything, like pizza and...
breadsticks?
Yeah, breadsticks. Anything else you can think of? English muffins, I don't know, something like that. So the no kneady bread is really easy to make. It's comes out really smelling really good. Makes your whole house smell really good. It has a nice crust on it, and it's really soft on the inside, isn't it? Mm-hmm. We made it quite a few times.
Yeah.
Anyway, for this recipe, there's no proofing required, which means you don't have to wait overnight to make it, let it rise. So we can just make it in a few hours, and you'll have fresh bread in just a couple hours. All right, let's get started. Great. So we're ready to get started. So first things first, we have our supplies. We need a, what's this called again?
Scales.
Scales.
Weighing
What's
scales.
this?
A bowl.
A
Mixing
bowl.
Mixing bowl.
Measuring spoon.
Measuring cup.
Measuring cup. A spoon.
And salt.
We have, oh wait, we need two of these.
Do you need to turn the oven on, by the way?
No. Two of these, and then
some flour.
Salt, and then we got like organic flour. Very nice.
And water.
And we have water. Yes. You use like 1 cup of water.
Am I in here?
Yeah, just
the whole pack.
Yes, the whole pack. Mm-hmm. So you want a little warm water with the yeast to activate the yeast. The yeast likes warm water. Keep stirring it until it's nice and stirred up. Okay, fantastic. So the next step is we take our scales. So we want 1,500 grams of flour. Okay, so Shiva's going to put in 1,500 grams.
We're going to watch here for 1,500.
But you guys watch.
I will.
Of
Careful, slowly, Shiva.
Flour. This is good. We're making 2 loaves of bread here, guys.
And get ready to stop. And
Okay, perfect. 1,500 on the
1,500
dot.
grams. Very good.
On
Shiva.
the dot.
Okay, now let's get that. Salmon's gonna put in some salt.
Do we need a teaspoon
We need
for that?
15 grams of salt.
Oh.
So that's 1 cup of water in, right?
Yes.
So we need 2.5 more cups of water.
Okay. So I'm
Okay. Going to mix it with his hands.
Wait, really? Wait, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, you lift it with your hands. That's like,
Okay,
go.
Okay, go for it.
Oh.
Go for it. You can stand up if
That feels like
Stand up if you want. Simon.
gross.
Yeah, stand up. Where you get kind of like where you panic sometimes and you're just like, oh no, my hands are gonna be like covered. I'm not gonna get this off my hands.
been
But
itchy
don't worry,
nose.
just keep going.
The phone is ringing. Oh no.
And you might need to add about another half cup of water. We'll see.
Yeah, it looks really dry. It feels dry.
Yes, good. Keep going. Keep folding it a little bit. Even a 13-year-old can do it.
It's getting there.
That's perfect. That's really good. You just want to mix it in. You don't need to knead it. You know, not needy at all.
Hey, you're folding bread on my hand.
Some people in this room.
Watch, but whatever.
So we didn't knead the dough. We just kind of mixed it with our hands together to get it even. And there's about 2,400 grams with the water and with all the ingredients together. So we're gonna cut that in half. So we're gonna take that out and get about 1,200 in one ball. Here, go ahead, Shiva.
So 1,200.
So, okay, you barely did anything. wait.
About half, Shiva.
Snowball fight? Dough ball fight.
And how much does that weigh?
Oh, that's way less.
1178. Okay.
Now look at this. The bread has risen. Look at how big it is compared to before. And the easy part now is we just stick it in the oven. So Rona is going to scour the top. So now we're gonna stick the bread in the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So we leave it in the oven for exactly 45 minutes. And that's how you make perfect bread.
Boom. I go to the same house.
So there you have it. The completed product. Yummy, mouth-watering bread. Then you can make other things with bread. So what else can we make with bread?
Eggs?
Eggs with bread?